Hi, so this video is going to take you through the process of finding a picture and cropping it into a square. Now, the subject of this next project is going to be a skeleton, so I do have some pictures for you that you can use for reference. You can certainly find your own, but you want to make sure that you find a nice large image, high resolution, because we're going to be cropping these quite a bit. We're going to be zooming into these images quite a bit. So you can click around and look at these images. And like I said, if you find one that you would like to use instead of the ones that I have provided, you can certainly go ahead and look around. This one I like, and I like how this rib cage here is like turned, sort of 45 degrees. So I think I'm going to work on even like this part right here. I think I want to zoom in to that. So when we do zoom in, we're going to crop it and zoom into a pretty small area. Okay, I'll explain more about what to look for when you are finding your exactly what part you want to crop. So this is the images that I want. So again, I clicked on it, double click. I'm going to download the entire image, and it'll show up in my downloads. I'm then going to open up a program, go to www.photopea.com. It's spelled like photo P, sometimes pronounced that way. And when you go to it, you are going to open up a image from your computer, and we're going to open up the picture that we were just working with. So the way that this goes is you will zoom in, so the zoom tool is down here, toolbar is to your left, and we're going to zoom into an area that we would like to use. So I'm going to focus right in here. So zooming it is not going to change the size of the image, it's just changing the view. The hand tool, which is right next to it, right above it, it will allow you to kind of move that view around a bit. Okay, so I found my spot, and now I'm going to crop it. What you're going to look for, I wouldn't select just the skull. You want some area, you want a lot of area of background. So whether the background is black or it's white, you want the cropped area to have some area of negative space. So go to the crop tool, just like that. You're going to go to fixed size. And the size, I would like you to type in 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. Okay, so to do that, you highlight this. I already did this, but I will do it again. 1000 px for pixels by 1000 pixels. Okay, keep those numbers the same, because now when you start to crop it, you're going to drag, uncheck that. You're going to drag a space in place, and you can go on the inside and move it around. So like I said, I want to go right in here. I'm not going to just have little pieces of the positive space. I want a decent part of it. I don't even want to get the skull that much. I want to get the teeth. So something like this, I could drag the corner and make it larger or smaller. A good rule of thumb is to think about having about half of your image, if maybe a little less, about half of it be negative space. So I think I like that right there. Have that whole area negative space. You can also come out of your cropped area, and you can rotate it a bit if you'd like. A little different composition. All right. And if you like it, you are going to commit to it by hit the check on top to confirm that that's your choice. And if I zoom into it now, see that's my chosen composition. You can see that a lot of it is negative space, but there's also a lot of it that is positive space. So if you don't like what you did, you can go up to Edit and Undo, and you can start it again. Crop, fixed size, 1000 by 1000. Sometimes you have to uncheck it for it to pick up again. It's all right if even if you select an area and it's not even, can't even tell what this is really. It's okay that you lose kind of like the skeleton look to it. All right. So we're going to go up to File, and we're going to go to Export as JPEG. So this is going to export it into your downloads, I believe. And so what you want to do now is you want to submit this into this project right here. So you're going to, up on the top right, yours looks different than mine. You're going to submit. You're going to submit an image into this assignment. I didn't even name it yet. Into skeleton bones. Okay? So hopefully that'll help you guys out. Review this video as you need to. And I will also be around in class if you have any questions, but you can certainly do this at home.